Alright, sagutin natin si Yana. Hello po, Store. Store rec ko kung saan bibili ng violin, mag-change size daughter ko from 3/4 to full size. Advice ng teacher niya. Nag-reco si teacher sa Violin Village but would like to hear other options. Also a good brand. Okay, so first things first is you have to identify yung budget. Usually kasi ako personally, kung beginner pa yung student and then you'll buy an upgrade not because of skill but because of size, no? Ano ibig sabihin nun? So let's say kunwari nasa beginning stages pa lang siya pero bigla siyang lumaki. So I wouldn't still advise buying anything expensive. So kung ganon, no, lumaki lang and gusto nyo pa din mag-maintain ng quality na hindi masyadong masakit sa bulsa and but still usable, I would suggest yung violins from Cremona or Valencia, I think. Those are good brands, less than 10,000 pesos makakakuha ka, or around 10,000 pesos. Madali din magbalik kung may problems or issues kasi ang nagbebenta nito ay malalaking stores. So that's one of the things, no, kung pang beginner. Now, when we're talking about upgrade, kasama na din yung skills, medyo magaling na din yung bata, no, around 13 to 15,000, I would suggest checking out sa MG Strings or sa Luteria Garcia. I think they have those price ranges. Meron din silang available dun sa price range na yun, na maganda yung quality. And of course, the important thing talaga is sound. No, kasi may mga violins kasi na maganda yung itsura pero ayaw tumunog, mahirap patunogin. So mahihirapan lang din po yung inyong daughter ba or daughter, yan, daughter. Now, kung medyo mas mataas pa yung budget, no, kung talagang mas magaling na, you could go around 20,000 and above. I think sa Steinhold meron din sila pero I haven't tried the violins yet. Although yun nga, ako ang sinasuggest ko lang naman is yung mga na-try ko na. Okay, I don't want to suggest instruments na dahil lang sa brand because again, wala naman talaga yan sa brand. Nasa gumagamit and nasa quality. No, minsan kasi yung mga brands na, especially yung mga small brands lang, no, hindi natin ma-assure na same quality palagi. Minsan may mga inconsistencies din. So you have to really be vigilant pag nag-check tayo ng mga instruments. So around, kung sa let's say max 30,000 ganyan, siguro sa string department meron na din sila doon sa price range na yun. Sa lower price di ko sure. Now sa Violin Village kasi, again, I would suggest if you're gonna buy from them, buy the most expensive kasi yun yung maganda yung quality, no? Sa lower kasi you can get a better value from yun nga, sa mga nabanggit kong brands, no? So ito, based lang naman sa experience ko. But again, kung sabi ng teacher nyo doon, kayo bumili, wala namang problema doon. Kasi siya naman yung nakakaalam din, no? Kasi ako personally, hindi ko naman din kayo kilala and hindi ko alam kung ano yung hinahanap nyong sound or anong quality of instrument and of course budget. No, kasi talagang sa totoo lang, wala namang, ang limit lang naman talaga dito is yung budget natin di ba? Especially sa full size na violin kasi you can get anything you want. No, wala na yan. Yan na yung final level ng size. So ibig sabihin, pwedeng sa mas murang side, no? Kasi lifetime mag-upgrade ka, no? Kahit yung mga professionals right now, 'di ba? Kahit nasabihin mong may mga 2,000 euro na silang violin, no? Minsan may dadating na opportunity bumili ng 10,000 euro, 'di ba? So hanggang ngayon nag-upgrade ka pa rin, no? From 15k to 15M pwede, 'di ba? So if you're starting out tapos medyo beginner pa rin naman si daughter, no? Get something cheaper muna kasi dadating din yung time mag-upgrade ulit, no? And don't think na masasayang pera ko kasi ganyan upgrade. Again, ako personally, when you're upgrading your instruments, kasama siya sa kasama siya sa skill trajectory, or ibig sabihin habang gumagaling kailangan nag-upgrade para hindi ma-burnout, para hindi ma-bore, para may something to look forward to, no? Mahirap din kasi na bibili agad tayo ng mamahalin tapos nahihirapan tayong i-tame yung instrument, no? Hindi natin palabas yung gusto nating tunog sa kanya because we lack the skill, no? May ganun kasing factor. So, take this with a grain of salt, and of course your mileage may vary kahit anong brands pa yung nasabi ko, no? Hindi natin masusure kung magiging happy kayo sa quality because again, it's very subjective pagdating sa selection process, no? Meron na tayong mga biases na gusto nating sa instrument, but if you're starting out, minsan yung pinaka-simple, pinaka-okay na yun para hindi din ma-overwhelm sa choices. So sana nakatulong to. If you did, comment down below and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck sa inyo.